Good morning, everyone, and good evening, good afternoon. Welcome for a happy Tuesday. What's up, guys? How you doing? Well, look at that breakout PNL. Breakout PNL. Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day so far. Hope you have a great time. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for showing up. As we know, time to show this presentation to all the members. The entire Earth would like to be part of this. So we're going to share this on Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp. We're live. And we've got the giveaways, 300K randomly. $300K randomly, guys. During the stream randomly. Oh, look at that. 2,000 points recovery on Nasdaq. Oh, damn. This is wild. 2,000 points. You must be kidding me. From an extremely risky situation and from a strong media and influencers calling for a strong, prolonged bear market. Well, we're having a hard time with the bear markets. The AI revolution, it's a whole different situation. Guys, thank you so much for joining. What's the timeline on that daily payouts on Blusky? What do you mean by timeline? We got paid from Blusky, by the way. Where's my Blusky account? Here's my Blusky account. We got paid, guys. We have 3,000. Back to 3,000. Let me share with you my dashboard here. Have a look at the right side column. Where is it? Wait, they're on 2,200. Few hours, just a few hours. Few hours we got paid, right? So we have reached the stage of above the buffer. We got a 3,000 we had. This is a Propel 200K static drawdown. We made our evaluation, we made the buffer, and now we're trading above the buffer. 786 first day. We have no consistency. 1,414 second day of trading, managed to do 2,200, cashed out fully. And here we are smiling with this. Here we are smiling with this. For those of you that are interested, yeah, sign up for Blusky. You got to use that link. Basically, I'm trading the Propel accounts. Scrembo 30 is the code for Propel. Scrembo 30 gives you 30% off. That's the current discount, 30%. Unlimited uses. The static account, this is what I've been trading, the 200K static Propel. Now we're trading basically no consistency and no target. You have a cap, a 7 days cap, which for a 200K static is 2,500. We cashed out 2,200, so knowing that I requested yesterday, I got paid yesterday, we have a 7 days window starting with yesterday, right? Which means till next Monday, we can totally cash out 2,500, totally. And that means till next Monday, I can still request a $300 payout. Next Monday, I can resume to another 2,500 per week. It's not Monday to Monday. It is from the first request you have on a 7 days basis. This is the way it works. So let me get to your questions, guys. Let me get to your questions. Let me slowly get to your questions. What are my... Dennis is asking me on my thoughts for Savius new evaluation. So nothing against the company, but their new evaluation is considered, from my standpoint, an alternative in the market that is facing challenges. 10 evaluation days, 10 minimum days of trading for Savius new evaluation is too much. I don't think you can request your traders to perform 10 trading days in the evaluation stage today at the current standards. So that blows off people. It just sends people away. And consistency you have on that 10 days, I don't think it fits the current context of and I've reached out to Savius and I explained them. I don't think it is up to date to the current industry standards. I would do something 1-2 days evaluation and then trying to go basically with the rhythm. You know what's the rhythm? No consistency, no target, daily payouts. Do something with this. Going to your next questions, guys. Make sure to like the video in the meantime. Make sure to like the video, guys, because you're doing the giveaways randomly. So, good morning, good evening. Thank you so much. Quantum with the next question. Once you make the 3,000 buffer in Blue Sky Static, then your drawdown is going to be 2,900 if you have 3,000 buffer. Basically, your account is failed when you touch $100 balance. Yes. So I have right now, what is it here? Let me clear this thing up. We have 3,000, right? If the balance is touching $100, so if I lose 2,900 from this very moment, I'm gonna be losing the account. What is the big belly account I am keep talking about? Chris is asking me. The big belly account is here, this one. On Lucid Flex, an account that we traded from 150 grand, a Lucid Flex of 150 grand, we traded to $456,000. So basically from a $4,500 drawdown, we made 300. That's what we did. 300 grand. And we're kind of trading this account daily. And I've also explained in one of my videos I posted. It's the video where I'm sharing people how we cashed out 15,000 just a week ago. I talk about it. Why do we continue trading this one? And how having because we have 2 accounts like this, how having such accounts is tremendously improving my trading knowledge. Sure, Business Lens, just give it a bit of a time. Good morning, good day, guys. Thank you so much. $10 is too much. Their instant funding for Savius is still there, running nice. It's the same target basically. Quantum, we have an account, we have a single account on Lucid that we're trading on daily and it's funded. We have multiple evaluations. It is a significant challenge for me. I can't say I enjoy the trailing better than end of the day. That is not real. No one is enjoying intra. compared to the alternatives, but I try to put in context and measure my statements and decisions. So daily payouts, no consistency, uncapped is extremely attractive for me. And I think if I learn to negotiate, manage, and outperform the limitations of an intraday, I can make it work. I don't think I don't have the abilities to adapt in making it work. So I don't mind as long as I know it's possible. I don't mind the challenge. I don't mind the journey. I don't mind having ups and downs as long as I know I can make it function at some point. I don't know what's the point in terms of the timeline when that is going to happen. We have a funded account already. We traded yesterday. We made 1,400 in our first day. You guys saw that. But we're looking forward to having more. So I think daily payouts, uncapped, and no consistency is extremely attractive for me, guys. Is extremely attractive for me. And I'm doing everything I can with all the struggle, with all the challenges, with all the difficulties involved to discover a way of handling this and make it profitable. That doesn't mean we're not enjoying flexes. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. I'm going to tell you something, which I believe is going to be pretty good as an exercise as well. So if I make it work with an intraday, which is supposed to be harder than an end of the day, then obviously returning and trading end of the day is going to be even easier, right? Way more easier, way more easier. So if I make it work with intraday, that is a challenge which probably allows me to return trading fully end of the day trading, end of the day drawdown model with higher performance. We have been trading this account. That's what I'm explaining, Chris. I'm explaining that in my $15,000 payout video I posted on my channel. Why did we trade this account to this point and the way the history happens. You can choose on the evaluation stage. But on the funded stage, let me share with you, right? You don't have to be confused. Lucid daily, drawdown in evaluation. End of the day or intraday. You choose in the evaluation stage. The funded stage is coming automatically with an intraday till you hit your buffer. The buffer is your max loss value plus $100. Once you touch that, your drawdown becomes static. That's it. So if you don't like the intraday in a such meaningful manner, then obviously you go flexes or pros. If you think you can find a way around the intraday in the funded stage till you hit the buffer, then you have a huge business there, guys, because you can do daily payouts of $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 on 5 accounts. Eventually, I'm gonna do that 30 grand payout in a single day. Why? Because I'm hoping to have 5 funded of daily. Yet I have to consider we got the big belly accounts we don't want to lose. We got Blusky payout yesterday. Someone is asking me about Blusky developer. We got Blusky payout yesterday. $2,200 withdrawal. Have a look into that. Right, so we're already earned a buffer and we're trading with no consistency and target. How much do I make with Lucid? I make good money. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Yes, Dennis, the FundedSeat Ultra is really good. It's really good. And it's end of the day. You don't have intraday, right? So for those of you that don't like the intraday model for Lucid, you have a choice. You have a possibility. You know which is that? It's the FundedSeat Ultra. FundedSeat Ultra is end of the day, is not intraday on the funded stage. You can decide on your consistency, you can decide on your drawdown, you can do a lot of the things. You have a cap of $100,000. Let me send you the link. Coupon code Scrembo has discounts at any point for any moment. No top step for the moment. Right. Ultra. We're trading 100K Ultra. We got 4. And we made a lot of money yesterday on all that. Let me share with you. Here is it. Here's the 4 we have. The Ultra. Yeah. 2,000 made on 2. We were copy trading. $2,000 on first group of copy trading, $1,000 on the other. That's what we're trading. And there is another thing here with a FundedSeat. Only go to live once you withdraw at least 100 grand. So I'm gonna hit this guys pretty hard. Watch me making tens of thousands from here. Watch me making. We already have $8,000 cashed out from FundedSeat. And I got just started with this Ultra accounts yesterday. But I'm gonna hit it hard, guys. I promise you. Especially you can have 5 accounts. Yeah. You have to get your direction and master it, guys. You have to get your direction and master. So a lot of the people try with Lucid Daily, which is absolutely great. Have a look into the markets, guys. Have a look into the markets. And we're going to start trading soon. We're going to continue trading for our Blusky. It's time to build some buffer. Because we can only make $300 more payout here for Blusky. It's 2,500 every 7 weeks, every 7 days. Sorry, 7 days. Payout caps operate on a rolling 7-day basis for Blusky, right? So for my 200K static, it's 2,500 every 7 days. We already cashed out 2,200 yesterday. We still have $300, and whatever we do above that, we're just gonna build buffer. But I wanted you to see the 4 hours representation. The daily is insane, guys. The daily is insane the way markets reacted without going to that 26,400. So I'm looking into the 15-minute perspective. There are so many levels that are hitting and sliding below this 29,200s. It's interesting the way we pushed above 29 and kept constant pressure attached. It's just about a lot of algo trading these days. So let me get back to your questions, guys. How long did they take the payouts at FundedSeat? A few hours. All the $6,000. 6,000. What was it? 8,000 from FundedSeat. 8,000. All the 8,000 within a few hours. Richard, my manager from Tap on Future, is on holidays, which is why the responses from Tap on Futures with the giveaways are very slow. It is on holidays. Yes, I'm still considering Fred, but certainly not now with the environment of uncapped daily payouts, no consistency. I no longer have right now a real reason to come up with the entire drawdown when I can just spend basically a lot less for a very comfortable drawdown. Way more. So you can spend basically $300 for a 3,000 drawdown. And I have the same no cap, no consistency, and no target for my payouts. The way the prop firm space is shaping right now, it's getting really close, really close. It's not the same, but it's getting really close to the way the personal funding is. Yeah, it's not available right now in the EU, Twister, that's right. There is a silly EU situation out there that's hitting the props. Nishukla, you gotta see about the rules. Something happened there. The only reason that something happened. Live account, no buffer. Yeah. How much you can cash out before Lucid takes you to live? It's quite custom. Usually you go about 5 withdrawals per account. Yeah. Give me a break, guys, a minute, and I'll be back. Let me open up Quantower in the meantime to trade our Lucid daily. I'll be back in a minute. Trade of accs with Ninja and TradingView, which were ready for the last 3 months already, but they were not launching it because of the payout problems. And at this point, they decided to just give it a try. Yeah, they don't really have sales. And it's normal. Exactly, Dennis. A bit pricey, that's right. And the reason behind that, I mean, we passed a lot of evaluations on FundedSeat. It's not about the problem on the commission side. The idea is it obviously has to be pricey because it's end of the day drawdown in the funded stage and you have a massive cap. Bear with me for a minute, I'll be back. I don't know where's my cup for the green tea. No idea why it's not here. It's supposed to be here. We can't trade without the green tea. I'm sorry, guys. We're not going to try. We're not going to touch. We're not going to finger anything without the green tea. Asleep, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm falling asleep, guys. I'm falling asleep today. I had too much sushi for lunch and I'm falling asleep. Unbelievable. It slows me down massively. I don't even have a voice. I'm gonna long it here. Yeah. Hope this trade is gonna wake me up. Wake me up. Come on, trade, wake me up. And we've got our lovely Lucid daily account funded stage. This one, guys, 1,400 made yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, but I had too much. I couldn't stop, guys. I couldn't stop from eating. I'm gonna be out here 50 bucks. Oh, I like that. Now I had too much. I had too much going on, and this is always happening when I'm eating without limits in quantity and sizing. And then the energy goes in your stomach for digestion and all the process that happens, right? So obviously you're feeling asleep. Let's go, guys. So what else? What else? What else? We got a Lucid. We're not gonna have trailing above the buffer, so we still have a little trailing going around here. We're having 1,400. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We're doing the giveaways randomly. Exactly, it locks there. There's not many people using them anymore for a while already. We have informed and fully informed our community what's the situation there, and it fully has to be avoided. Yeah. Running the news, guys. Running the news, Fred. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys. I am testing a short from my... Four-minute short, guys. 4-minute short for my trailing. Lucid daily, 150,000 funded. We don't need a loss here, I tell you. We don't need a loss here, I can tell you. Oh yeah, 6 minis. And I am gonna be out right there. 6 minis. Give me... Oh, beautiful, guys. 944. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing with that one. Now that's how you smell a short entry. 944, we have 2,353. And we don't care there is intraday trading and all that stuff. No one cares. It's not bothering me. I'm running this one like it's end of the day. There's no difference for me. You know what's my auto liquidate threshold? 147,853. 147,853. Do the math. Do the math. What the distance? 152,353. It's the current balance. Do the math, guys, and see. What's my drawdown? 152,253 minus 147,853. 4,500 exactly. Exactly 4,500. Which is just like in end of the day. Oh. Harder than 50k. Do the math, guys. 147,853 auto liquidate threshold. Massively overextended here with the price action. Now, if this is algo driven, no one cares with the RSI. The overbought story, and it was a perfect trade. 2 minutes and we start the first giveaway, guys. 2 minutes and we start the first giveaway celebrating this. This was a hell of a trade. I want to get to daily payouts so bad. Yeah. 2 minutes and the first giveaway starts. Everyone, you have to like the video, be subscribed, join Discord if you want to participate, and complete the form. Alright guys, so it's time for the giveaway. It's time for the first giveaway. As I said, the new format. Lucid dashboard was lagging today, but it's working right now for me. We're doing the first giveaway, guys. We're doing the first giveaway. Badger, are you here, Badger? Great. So, first giveaway will be a single account, 50,000 Lucid Flex. 50,000 Lucid Flex, guys. First giveaway, 50,000 Lucid Flex. I told you the rules. You have to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. There is a massive gap between the likes and the viewers. 96 likes, 174 people watching. You know that there is a gap of 80. 80 likes missing. If you're part of the winners of this 80 likes and you're not receiving the account, do not reach out on Discord and cry about it. It's worthless, because you have not filled up the participation rules. It's simple. If you're missing on filling the participation rules, you're not going to receive the account. As simple as like that. Beautiful. Watch out. A single choice per person. 00, 11, 22, and a single 7. You can start right now. Let me know. Double 0, 11, 22, single 7. 50,000 Lucid Flexes for the first giveaway today. market opens in about 23 minutes. Alright guys, you want to stop right there. No more. This is the first giveaway we're going to run a ton today. Shuffle, we're good to go. Come on. What is it going to be? That blue number 2 on the other side? Is that blue number 2 going to be? Oh, push the paddle, guys. It is fully confirmed on number 2, guys, because I'm not pushing the brake. I'm not pushing the brake here. It's number 2. We had 3 number 2 yesterday on all the giveaways. Oh my god. Deeper. It's the 4th in a row. It's the 4th in a row. Extremely and totally rigged, I would say. It's the 4th in a row. 45 winners. Ready for the ducks. 30 seconds competition time. You know who is the winner? Rank number 2. I'll repeat that. Rank number 2 is the winner. Rank number 2 is the winner. So avoid being the first. You're not gonna feel good about it. Solitude trading. You're winning the wrong race. And the business lens is winning basically with a second round, a 50,000 Lucid Flex. Congratulations, look at that one. We're going to find out if he completed a form right now. Then the business lens is here, fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy. You got this one. Continuing with the trading, guys. Continuing. Oh, Maddie's on the 6th. Look at that one, guys. Here's the ranking. Here's the ranking. Jake is 39. Oh my gosh, Scrembo 45, 45th. Where's Badger? 29th. You guys must be scamming the system, right? I guess you got the right network on my pedal. You connected to my pedals, have you? Muhammad, yes. You have the ability to give accounts, not to receive. If you want to give accounts, let us know, Muhammad. And if you're asking without winning, the very first time you're winning is going back to the community. That's the rule, Muhammad. Thank you for your attention on this matter. Thank you. Sure, you can say sorry, reality is not changing. Reality is not changing with a sorry. Let me lose $200 here in the markets and say sorry. See if they're giving me back. I'm gonna say sorry to Nasdaq. I'm gonna drop $200 on an account and say sorry. if they are reversing the P&L, I'm gonna reverse that too for you. Where's the chat? Where's the chat for Nasdaq to say sorry? Sorry, sir. I would say sorry, sir, to Nasdaq chat. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna short it here, guys. And not only there, but I'm gonna short it on my Lucid. Lucid Daily. Ho, 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 ho. Eight contracts on my Lucid Daily. I'm going mad crazy about this. Mad crazy. We don't need a pump. No, we don't need a pump. I'll repeat that. No, we don't need a pump. You want to stop right there with your pumps? Lovely. We've shorted pretty much everywhere, guys. We shorted on my FundedSeat. This is a FundedSeat instant funding bold second cycle. Yeah, we have no consistency. And daily payouts. But we have target. Oh, lovely. Our Blusky is short as well. Oh my gosh, come on guys. Come on guys. This is the place we want to make some money. 8 minis, 226 for my exit. I have to scalp it. Oh. Come on, just a little deeper. Do not reverse it because you're eating my drawdown. We are. Oh, there you go. Target touch 1,500 here. That's an absolute madness. Here's the form. The form is pretty much every day pinned in the post. 1,586 guys on my Lucid. We're having $153,000 with this intraday. The first intraday. What if we reach first account funded, first payout? It's going to be 100% ratio. Stop loss break even for my FundedSeat. Stop loss break even for my Blusky. Do whatever you want. Probably we got trailed for my Blusky. Yeah, we got trailed out. The FundedSeat is still active. You want to refresh that, buddy, Nathan. Refresh that. I had the same thing a few hours ago. Oh. What if we are going to have a 100% ratio? That's going to be crazy, guys. You know, above the buffer, we have daily payouts. It's only 1,500 more from the buffer. Right, so for this account, we only have to do 1,500 more, and we're done with trailing. We're going to have static. But then watch me trading differently. Becoming loose on my rules and focus, and blowing the account. Watch me doing that, guys. Watch me doing that. I can already see that how I'm navigating through the hardest challenges. As soon as I get the place that is the easiest, it's supposed to be the easiest, I'll mess it up. I'm going to go very aggressive. I'm going to be greedy for my first payout. And we're going to hit the nail at the coffin. Dodge the bullet. Don't say it. Don't say it, just do it. I'm raising an alarm for you guys. I'm raising the bar, raising the alarm for you. Dodge the bullet. Have you sniped something, Badger, from the cabin? Are you sniping from there? A 1,000 in punishment. We usually do those challenges of 1,000 in punishment in giveaways in cash when we have $50 to pass an evaluation and 5,000 drawdown. Nah, forget about Apex. Might be an opportunity here. Homework and green stuff, yeah. We have a lot of accounts to trade in FundedSeat. I want to get those ultra accounts quickly to funded stage and become wild about it. Yeah, you're gonna receive the account, just take it easy. No rush. No rush. We're gonna have a new high and a new high. Market opens soon, guys. Market opens soon. We're gonna do another giveaway before the market opens. Remember that. So the next giveaway will happen in a few minutes. Lucid Daily, my fellas. Lucid Daily is the model. We are having a good time. Yeah. Damn funded. We made $27,000 yesterday on my Big Belly account, guys. Have you seen that? You've seen that on stream. 300s, 350. You better start trading that Lucid account, Jay, you won yesterday. You better start trading that, otherwise I see the account unclaimed and I might give it to someone. If you reach out to me in 2 weeks or 3 weeks and say, hey Scrembo, the code is no longer working, well, you know that happened. You better get out there in the markets in the opening, close your eyes and touch the buttons. Oh yeah. 27,000 for the first day of the month. 1 minute to go for the next giveaway, guys. We're gonna do 150,000 in the next one. You got it this morning, so you're safe about it. He got Lucid Flex yesterday. He got Lucid Flex on the giveaway. So you guys have to tell Jake if he's touching payout with this Lucid Flex one yesterday, he has to give something back. He has to give some cash money for the community, $100 minimum. $100 cash back to community, and we'll do the giveaway with that $100. Surprisingly, right, Yankee? Yeah, he's the first guy receiving an account since we started streaming. He got to go number 2 yesterday, and we had 3 giveaways coming up number 2. Oh, look at that. Oh! What is he saying, guys? What is he saying? I guess Trump is saying something. Oh my gosh, what is he speaking about the war? This thing is running out of my screen. What is he saying about the war? What is he preaching? Look at his Truth Social. Do you guys have that subscription for Truth Social? For Trump's subscription? Early access to his post? Haven't you got it, Fred? Not a chance, right? Yeah, for 100,000 a month, you can get access. Early post. Is this thing going to go all the way back? Wow. Alright guys, so let's do the next giveaway. Let's do it. Time for the next slam. We need a wheel, we need a ducks, and we need formula. Next giveaway. Listen up for the numbers. What you gotta do to participate, you gotta like the video, you gotta be subscribed, and you gotta join our Discord. If you fail to participate, yeah, and you have to fill up the form, the participation. Fake out, shake out, dancing. Mark is hitting the floor. Are you ready, Badger? We're moving. We're moving. Up on the horse. Up on the horse for the next giveaway. 3 accounts of 50,000 from Blusky. Alright guys, so you want me to see how number 2 is going to hit again? I'll do a single number 2 and a 777. Single number 2 and a 777. Start right there. Let me know your best choice. 3 accounts of 50,000 for the Blusky. Single number 2, 777. Yes, lunch. Thank you so much for joining. You have to like the video, be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Yeah, Lucid is a little bit down on the website with the servers. It has been like that. Stop right there. No more guesses. No more. Shuffle. We're good to go. Five-minute algo soon. It's going to be number 7 on blue, guys. Number 7 on blue. I want to tease this guys with number 2, but we're going to be had number 7 on blue. That's interesting, Twister. Number 7, congratulations. That was pretty simple, I do so. Wow, 108 winners. There's still plenty going with number 2. Rank number 10 is receiving... No, we have 3 accounts. Wait. We have 3 accounts. So, let's just do top 3. Top 3. Yeah, let's do top 3. Simple top 3. No, we're doing simple top 3. Wow, your last picks were number 2 coming out nicely. Top 3 is winning. Frank! Oh, Frank. What KYC problems you had on the Formula, Frank? Frank. Formula is working, Frank. I hope you filled it up. It's working for the others. Frank, Randy, and Joshin. And Badger in the 4th. Look at that. I think Badger filled up. Frank? You're not here, Frank. You said it earlier on the stream that you had a problem filling up the form, Frank. What happened there? You're not here, Frank. Frank. Here's the Discord. Going to the next one, Randy. Randy Ruton is here. Congratulations. Joshin. Is here. Congratulations. And then Badger. Badger is not going to be here. No. No response found for Badger. We're taking the next one. Raz. Raz is here. Congratulations. Good job. I'll look into that, Frank, later. Happy to hear that, Mike Bluster. Happy to hear that. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Raz, MNQ. You got this. Oh, look at that 50 points pump. Lovely and nicely dumping. Market opens in a minute. Be careful, guys. The market opens in a minute. We still have more giveaways to go. Good job. Thank you, guys. Should I still force it on this one? I think I'm going to be a little more aggressive today with this account, with the daily. Thank you, Mike Bluster. Thank you for your great message. We're ringing the bell in a minute. I wanted to grab some Lucid accounts and the checkout was not functioning, guys. The checkout was not functioning. Temporary service unavailable. Wow. 30 seconds to go. Yes, we trade FundedSeat, of course. We trade it daily. We actually got a payout very recently from FundedSeat. Here are the accounts we have on FundedSeat. 3 instant funding Bolt, and then we get the fresh Ultra. We're going to trade the Ultra soon. Massive accounts. 10 seconds to go, guys. And we're opening. Best of luck. Oh. Bit of a noise. I'm longing it here. 5 contracts. I'm out 126. Not bad. Profit is profit. Yeah. You have to do scalping for intraday. Raz, you gotta do scalping. Higher sizing scalping. That's the way it works. And your entries have to be A+. Wow, look at the pump we got here. I'm glad we haven't touched this with shorts. I don't even think we should touch it with shorts. So we shared 200k giveaways. Relonging this a little bit, guys. We take profit something higher. I've also longed on my Lucid. I'm out. 1,779 on my Lucid profit. Target has not been touched here, but I'm still leaving it open. Yeah, we touch it right now. 338 profit. Beautiful. Made some extra money. Wake me up, green tea. No, we're a good profit here. We're a good profit. I'm extremely satisfied. Oh, yeah. With this one. For our FundedSeat Ultra, we have 4 accounts, and we're doing copy trading of 2. Huh. We're having 150 points. I could have longed the big belly accounts, right? There is a supply here located, guys, on 375. A pivot. Quite of a major pivot that pushed us. A strong lower high pivot which pushed us 2,100 points the last time. Fear of missing out. Watch out this level, guys. Look at that. This is the one I'm talking about. This is a massive resistance, which does not mean because it exists it will function, it will deliver. That does not mean. We're waiting for signs. But this 4-hour candle is about to close in 25 minutes, and it looks really powerful. I am fearing a V recovery here all the way back to 30,000. That's what I am afraid of. V-shaped recovery, 27,200 to 30,000. 2,800 points. From a situation that was not looking good at all. But you see how Nasdaq and the markets are totally controlled externally. That's why you're not trading basically long-term and swing trades based on the price action and technicals of the charts. It's no longer performant, right? So the price action is certainly not listening to that if you talk about long-term. If you talk about short-term scalping, that's the way we trade, and it works. Well, look at the pump, guys. It's already above the 410. This is huge. Wow. With intraday, this is a killer right now. It's hard. Probably I'm going to secure that 1,800 if I don't have a good opportunity here. I'm going to secure it. We only have $1,300 more till our drawdown becomes static. It's going to fall off the cliff, but that could be another 200 points. I got in some longs for my FundedSeat. Nothing wild, just trying to control the sizing here. And I'll quickly be out of this. Probably the next candle when we have a wick for the upside. Lovely so far, I like it. Give me a little bit more. With the next candle, buddy. The next candle. I have a take profit there. I'm out. Beautiful, 1,558. That is the way you scalp. That is the way. This is where we have longed, guys. This. Boom. Right there. 1,558. We don't have consistency. It's second cycle for this account. And we can request daily payouts. Boom. It's just that for instant funding, bold, you have a 5% target between the cycle. Look at that. Whole sell-off. Now, this is not looking exciting for the upside here, short term. Nah. I'm testing a short. I am shorting my Lucid as well. If they're pushing this back without a continuation here, that's going to be nasty. I can tell you, that is going to be nasty if they're doing that. The price action says something else. If you're pushing this one back, you're doing a nasty job. We got in a short for our Lucid as well. Which I'm not enjoying the way it looks. Wow. This is so bad. Look at that ripoff. We're about to touch the daily loss limit, 2,700 for Lucid. I'm out break even on FundedSeat. And I'm going to be out here soon. I'm out here, 615. I got to take that, guys. That was a massive movement, fully unexpected. $75 profit on FundedSeat. Gave our 1,400 back, but this is a massive move. This green candle. They just pushed a minute prior to that, right? So the strong green candle we had is coming after we had a massive movement there that was fully denied. This is the Lucid Daily. Yeah, this is the Lucid Daily funded. We're down 615 today on this. But the problem is not that we're down 615. The problem is we have lost a lot of drawdown. Right? Because we were up 1,400. You know what's my drawdown right now? It's peanuts. It's 148,797. And the balance is 148,797 is the auto liquidation, and the balance is 150,794. It's 1,997. $2,000 drawdown. $1,005. Yeah, this is intraday because we're in the funded stage and we haven't touched the buffer. Right, so you're not only losing your profits, you're also losing part of your drawdown. Let me bring my charger. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment for the charger. Yeah. Yes, the intraday stops and everything becomes static, right? So the intraday disappears when you touch buffer. And everything above the buffer, it's daily pals and no consistency. I wanted to long that candle. Ah. Um, 50% of your profits must come from trades you're holding minimum 5 seconds. On the evaluation, you have end of the day with the Lucid. It's just harder, right? It's just harder, but I'm searching for a good entry. The next trade has to be good. So let me see if Lucid website is fully functional again, allowing me to... Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. I went for a long here, guys. Went for a long. And we touched the profit, 612 on my blue sky. Beautiful. Beautiful. We have 3,600 here, guys. See, 3,600. We could essentially take the other 300 out that's left for the cap. But we're not going to do that. We're going to build buffer here. Yeah. I'm going to try to build a ton of buffer here. This is the one we cashed out yesterday, 2,200. And it's where you have a $2,500 payout cap on 7-day basis. Right, so indeed we have no consistency and we can do daily payouts. But with this one, there is a cap with a Lucid, with a static, with a blue sky static propel. Static drawdown, it's not intraday. $600 profit today, very good. I should have made this money on my Lucid. That would have been great. Look at that one, guys. I'm testing a little short from here. Indeed, it's very risky. But I'm smelling for something. I'm out. We made what? $400? $300? Yes. We made 300. We're up 972. And that's a massive celebration moment. 972 profit. From shorting. We're accumulating for my blue sky. We're accumulating buffer here. Next week, Monday, we're taking another 2,500 out. If things go well, we will attack them. Yeah, everyone is done with Apex. A little concerned on that Lucid. Daily funded. Only 2,000 drawdown is left. Oh. It's running again all the way to 500. Are we gonna get some red candle when the new one opens? I'm gonna test a little short here, guys. When the new candle opens, this one. $30. And I put a... Damn. I put a limit order, short limit order, on my Lucid daily. Although I don't know if we are going to touch it. We're starting to be profitable here for our blue sky. Send me a message and add me as a friend. Otherwise, I'm not seeing your messages. For all of you, that's the case as well. Yeah, I'm testing a 2-minute short, guys, from here with a new candle that opens on my Lucid. Yeah, I got in a 2-minute short. We're gonna find out how complicated it is to make money from shorts in this kind of markets. We're gonna find out. Look at that. Good, lovely profits. Good, lovely profits. The good part is come on, come on. 2 more red candles and we're fine with this. Well, you gotta stop that pump. We don't need you to pump from here. Enough is enough. Added to the short, we're sitting on 3 minis, guys. 3-minute short. Target is slightly above the 50s. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is not going good. That's not the direction I told you, buddy. Bring it back. Now, look at that pressure, guys. It's still holding, man. Till one very moment. That will mean 80 points dump in a minute. That's gonna be the candle we're gonna see soon. 80 points dump in a minute. Look at that. This is a beauty one. This is a beautiful one. We got in our FundedSeat short as well. We're making a ton here. We're making a ton here. Look at that. I am still holding this. I'm out of the blue sky. We made enough on the blue sky. I'm gonna be out of my FundedSeat, 2,100. What about this? I'm out of this one too. Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Bring it lower, buddy. There's no way you're gonna pump it back from that candle. Bring it lower. Yes! We touch it, guys. We touched the target. It's back to 1,584. It's back to 153, what it used to be. Oh my gosh. How did we make money by shorting the markets in these conditions? Look at that one. Why are you shorting in an uptrend? I don't understand. Gabby, 8612 is asking me. Because I know how to trade, that's why. That's why. Maddie, here we are, Maddie. We brought it back. Because I know how to trade, buddy. No, it's game over. It's game over. It's game over. It's game over. We were $600 down here 2,000 drawdown left, and they wanted to kill me with that intraday. And we fully recovered. And we made a ton of money. FundedSeat, second cycle, we made 2,000 bucks here. This is having a great time, I'm telling you, this account. Blusky. Blusky is insane. Let me tell you how much money we have here. We have a ton of buffer. What if I build this Blusky from 3,000 to 100? Look at this one, guys. So this is a 3,000 balance. Your failure is if balance is touching 100 bucks. What if I build this one, guys? What if I build this to 100? What is it gonna happen? Lucid is doing this Cloudflare verifications for me. The background. Yeah. That's what happens on Lucid. Thinking about it long here. Even for my FundedSeat. It's a little risky. That's why we're not doing any crazy wild sizing. We're not doing anything crazy wild sizing. I got in along for my Lucid as well, guys. And we touch it. Oh, we touched the target. Let me get out of the other ones too. Wow. That's crazy, guys. Look at that. Look at that. What happened on Lucid? 4,331 today. 155,741. So game over for the trailing, guys. We had 8 minis. I've DC'd on the wick downwards. I DC'd along on that wick downwards. While opening the trades everywhere, and we got out 4,331 today, guys. It's game over. No more trailing. We can actually request a pal here. Oh yeah, it's jolts. That's right. But we can request a pal, guys. Jivas, congratulations on your static. Look at that one. We can request a pal here. Anything that's above buffer plus $100. We can request. Look at this one, Matty. This is unbelievable. So, 140. No. 4,600 is the buffer. 4,000. Oh. Look at that one. 4,600. Where's the rat folder, buddy? Do you see a rat folder for Tuesday the 4th? You see a rat folder today? For Tuesday the 4th? Thank you. Thank you. Not all the news are included in the rat folder. not all the news. Forget about the big ones. This is the most important part. 4,600 is the buffer for 150k. We have 155,741. We almost made the whole buffer today. This is the second day, guys, in the funded stage with the very first account funded. It's not rat folder. The rat folder is coming from forexfactory.com/calendar. It's all listed there. There was no rat folder. So this is where we are, guys. This is insane, man. This is payout. This is, what's the payout? 4,600 buffer, 5,741 is what we have. It's 1,141 bucks, guys. $1,141 I could cash out on this one. Unbelievable. That's unbelievable. It's second day in my funded stage with the very first account. 150,000. So we bought 3 accounts of Lucid Daily, 150,000. We made 50% last Friday. You can see it on stream. 50% consistency on Friday for all the 3. Monday, which was yesterday, the very first we traded is exactly this account. We hit our target yesterday on this one. So we passed it yesterday. The other 2, we hit the daily loss limit. The accounts are still active. I haven't lost it. We hit 2,700 daily loss limit, the other 2. Evaluation. Yesterday, we upgraded the account. The one we passed. That one we passed. We upgraded yesterday and we traded on a stream. We made 1,400. Today we made 4,331. So basically this is an account that I bought on Friday. And here we are Tuesday. Here we are Tuesday. Ready for the payout of $1,100. You want to do the math, guys, and see how many days and all that stuff. Yeah. Yeah, $9.90 after the cut. A good pizza. Good pizza. But we have to trade the other funded accounts too. The big value ones, for example, we have not traded them today. Unless I go for under 4,500. Well, I could do it technically because we no longer have to deal with the intraday. So guys, for how many days have we dealt with the intraday? It was no rat folder. For how many days? Yesterday and today. 2 days. With intraday, increase the sizing and go scalp. Stop desiring 20, 30, 40 points. Go 7 points, 8 points, 12 points. And the way you come up with that in order to be efficient and not having 200 trades to be done because of the sizing, you increase the sizing. Is there a risk behind that? It is. We no longer have other 4. We have only 3. 2 funded have been lost from that 15k payout. We got at 15K last week. 2 funded have been lost. And we only have the followings. 3 of that old session. Let me share with you. We have Big Belly, 456. Big Belly number 1, 456. We haven't traded this one today. 453, the other Big Belly. 162, 857. This is the third from that old 15K pile we had a week ago. Plus the new Lucid Daily funded account, which is the 4th funded. And we have a slot ready. We need an account to be converted. We don't have anything of Lucid Daily. I want to have a Lucid Daily ready. We have not traded evaluations today. I was not able to log into my Lucid account for the last 30 minutes. You're now in line. Thank you for your estimated wait time is 7 minutes. I was not able to grab my account. Yeah. So let me trade my other, the other 3 funded. I'm gonna short this from here. I'm out. $116 profit. We only want to do $250. I've longed it. Oh. I've DCA'd. I'm out. 164. We need $90 extra. Yeah. Lucy is having some servers challenges. Testing along here. Make that candle green so I can get out. Make that candle green. If you're slow on that, I'm gonna get out. Not gonna DCA, it's dangerous. We could have a free fall, and you don't DCA in every situation. You only DCA when it's worth it. You see? I'm out. I'll accept the loss. We're still up $46. Yeah. Nasty Nasdaq is running the price after I got out. Oh yeah. Damn Nasdaq. You're doing this to me. I tested a short. Looking good for the moment. Ah, that was so close on my target. I could have exited. That was so close on my freaking target. That was so close. I've DC'd right now a little bit. Another, you know, the account is not in risk. We're having 162 grand, you know. It's a Lucid Flex account. Next candle could be the one I need. We're doing the giveaway soon, guys. Thank you so much, by the way. Lovely. A little lower, few more points. A little lower, few more points, and we're fine with this. Yeah, fully filled up, 302 profit. Target hit, guys. Beautiful. Continuing with the next one, the big value. 2 minutes short. Wait, give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. Here we are back. What happened with this? 293 profit. 293 for the first big value. We only need 250 for these Lucid Flexes, right? 293. Shorting the next big value. From here. 2 minis. Lovely. Target hit 321. Absolute base hits. Absolute base hits. We got in a short for my blue sky. And I'm putting I'm gonna DC in my short here for this blue sky. Yeah. I think this candle could turn red and then we're gonna have some juice downwards. 30 micros. What if I take this blue sky account, the 3001 to 100? Oh yeah, look at that one, guys. Stop loss break even. Come on, give me that $2,000-$3,000 trade here. $2,000, $3,000 trade here. Look at that one, guys. That's an absolute beast entry of the short. You don't deserve any buying pressure here. Bring it below. I could get out here. I mean, we have the max spout secured. Next week again. Oh my gosh. That's gonna be a heavy boom. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching this one, guys. I'm gonna be greedy on this trade. Just drop. 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 Look at that. I got $100 trailing, and the rest of the things will speak. Numbers speak here. Oh my gosh. Damn, pumping, right? Pump it up. Yeah, $130 on my trailing. But they're doing nasty things. Look at that. Hunting trailings, that's what they're doing here. Oh, beautiful. I can trail right there. 257 trailing. This is gonna print. 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 Come on, guys. Print. Oh. Look at that. We're about to double the profit. This is insane. You're not believing this one. You're not believing what we did today. Oh. Unbelievable trading was today. And the whole August so far is unbelievable, guys. The whole August. Nah. Cross that 500s and I'm trailing. Cross that 510 and I'm trailing. 250 secured with trailing profits here. 250. And I'll try to secure more if I get an opportunity, but this is nasty. Yeah, I'm going by the wick. I'm going by the new wick, guys. We have $480 secured. And I'm gonna, I wanted to increase my sizing. Damn. I wanted to increase my sizing, but that's the limitation. Oh, 2,000, but oh. But the buying pressure is heavy. I don't like that heavy buying pressure. Wow, I'm out. 3,423. Look at that, crazy, guys. No, that was crazy, guys. That was crazy money we made. 3,423. We doubled this account today. Boom. We actually made more than double because we were flat because of the... Oh, look at that drop. It's just about hunting trailings. This is crazy. So we made more than double. We were at 3,050 cents. We cashed out. Yeah, the entry should have been on Lucid Daily. That would have been great there. Yeah. But I'm kinda sufficient with the performance we had today. I kind of pushed a little more and more and more. I was thinking at some point to stop trading these things. We have not had any loss, guys. 0. And we kept pushing. Look at that. So we doubled the size of a $3,000 account today. Whatever is above 3,000, we can take it out here on Blue Sky with the limit of 2,500 per 7 days. We cashed 2,200 yesterday. We can still do $300 cash out today. But I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave it there for buffer. And we're going to take in a week. Right? So next Monday is going to be a week. 2,500 out. I can do $10 trading here for this Blue Sky. And get my 2,500 out next week. If I just want to go about the payouts. Or if I want to build the buffer here insane, then I'm going to just, you know, continuously trade normally. It's 2,500 cap per week on this Blue Sky static, yes. But the Lucid Daily is no cap. And the FundedSeat Ultra is no cap. I can show you the way we got to that level. So we got our Propel. Blusky, for those of you that haven't signed up, you gotta use our link to be part of our team and benefit all the discounts and everything that comes with it. Lucid Daily is not having a 10,000 a week, it's having 8,000 per day. You gotta make less than 8,000 per day on 50k and 12,000 per day on 150k, but per day. You gotta do less than that because they move you to live if you do it. So we traded a Propel, that's what you see on Blusky. Propel, 3 days evaluation, 6,000 target for the evaluation. Then you gotta do your buffer, 3,000. And you get this buffer and you trade with the buffer alone in a different environment. An environment which no longer has consistency. No. It's no consistency. And it's daily payouts. So we traded as 3,000. Let me share with you how. This is how. That was the first day. Yesterday was the second day. And we cashed out 2,200. Today we made 3,400. As simple as like that. Yeah, exactly. So essentially you want to take less than that limit. You don't want to do that. 8,000 for 50k on Lucid Daily, 12,000 for 150k. But the FundedSeat Ultra is not taking you to live under those conditions. They're allowing you up to $100,000. So I have to grab FundedSeat Ultra in the funded stage, guys. We have not traded our FundedSeat Ultra accounts today. I no longer have the ability to focus. We got this for, we only have a single day of trading here. We got some good money, and we're going to continue tomorrow with this ones. Even our FundedSeat instant funding, Bolt made 2,600 today. That's pretty much what we traded today. 3 accounts. This FundedSeat, our Blusky, and our Lucid Daily. Which I'm not going to cash out yet, by the way. I'm not going to take out that 1,100. Yes, I have a TradeSeat tutorial. You can check that out on my channel. I've used it. I've tested. It's not at the level the other trading platforms are. Alright guys, so let's do the last giveaway. Time for the last giveaway. Time for truth. Time for the last giveaway. The last giveaway, so we shared 200k so far. Yeah, TradeSeat slowly is improving probably. We did 200k so far, and we're doing right now 100k. Which will come from 25,000 Tap 1 Futures instant funding, Ignite, 25,000 FundedSeat Flex, 50k YRM. These are the 3 accounts we're sharing in this one, guys. Buckle up. The way you participate is simple. You want to fill up the form. Exactly, Jonathan. They put on hold. Like the video, be subscribed to this YouTube channel, streaming from Monday to Friday, starting at 8 AM EST time, usually 8:30, and join our Discord. These are the things you gotta do. Alright guys, it's happening tomorrow. Watch out for the numbers. 00, 11, single 2. You can start right now. Let me know. Start right now. 00, 11, single 2. It was a tremendous day. Incredible. I'm gonna load up some Lucid daily accounts evaluations. We still have the other 2 evaluations that we touched yesterday, the loss limit, right? From the 3 traded on Friday, we have the other 2 available. But I'm gonna load up a few 150,000 Lucid daily because we have 1 more spot. We're only having 4 funded right now. We're having 1 more spot, and I want to get to that one quickly. Made the minimum needed on the other 3. Funded. Incredible good day. Incredible. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Shuffle. Here we are. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck. I think that's going to be the red number 2. Red number 2, guys. Congratulations for the winners. It's going to be number 2 again. So the last 6 giveaways, we had 5 times coming up number 2. Congratulations for the winners. This is number 2. I've informed you. It's all rigged, scripted, whatever way you want to call it. Oh. Numero 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 4. 30 seconds competition time. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. He must be paying big time. What happens to those? They're going to duck race. You see it right now. Top 3 is winning. Top 3. Alan C2. Oh, look at that Alan C2 for $25,000 Ignite account. Instant funded. Palooka Mealy on the second for a FundedSeat, $25,000. And Trader NQ going for a 50,000 YRAM with Jake coming out on 4th. Hoping, trembling, and sweating that someone didn't fill up the form. Well, we're gonna find it out right now. Alan, are you here? Yes. Alan C2, is it here? Palooka. Oh yeah, fully. And Trader NQ, yes. Oh my gosh, Jake, you've missed on that one. You missed on that one, Jake. What an opportunity. Oh. He takes a win, right? A round of applause. Probably that's why he takes a round of applause. Beautiful, guys. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. It was an amazing day. You want to see the live stream, especially with the Lucid Daily, how we managed to pull the trigger. Oh, started on Friday, passed on Monday, converted to funded on Monday, made 1,400 there, and made the rest today to a point where we can cash out 1,100 because we're above the buffer, and that's what it is. Thank you so much, guys. All the peace and love. Scrembo code max discounts. Blue Sky having 3 different codes. You know all that stuff coming around. Thank you once again, guys. Meet you tomorrow.